Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Let us find. We will find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Now here you see 3 can be written as 3 can be written as 3 can be written as 3 by 1, and 4 can be written as 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 4 by 1. Now if we multiply both the numerators and denominators by 10, then we are getting 30 by 10. 30 by 10. And if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10, here also 10 by 10, then we are getting 40 by 10. We are getting 40 by 10. Now we can easily write 6 rational numbers between 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. Therefore, you can write, the 6 rational numbers, the 6 rational numbers, the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4, between 3 and 4 are between 30 and by 10 and 40 by 10, that is 31 by 10, 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10, 36 by 10. These are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Again you see, we are again repeating here. 3 can be written as 3 by 1 and 4 can be written as 4 by 1. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10, then we are getting 30 by 10. And here we are getting 40 by 10. That is 3 can be written as 30 by 10 and 4 can be written as 40 by 10. Therefore, the 6 rational numbers between 30 by 10 and 40 by 10 are 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10 and 36 by 10. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.